Hello everyone, welcome to another digital lecture, Class 12 Business Studies. In our last video, we have studied about meaning and features of management. Today we will learn about scope and objectives of management. Scope of management. The field of management is very wide. In which areas is the managing work? We will study about it now. First point is production management. Production management means the area of production. It relates to production planning and control. The aim of production management is to produce the right product at the right time, at the right place, so that competition can be faced and the business can run for a long time. Under this, product designing, purchase and storage of material, planning and control of factory work, repairs, maintenance and quality control, etc. activities are included. Second point is marketing management. Marketing management is the process of planning, organizing, directing and controlling the activities related to exchange of goods and services. Creation of demand and market share are objectives of marketing management. Satisfaction of customers' needs is the focus of marketing management. It involves strategies related to product promotion, pricing, physical distribution and selling, etc. Third point is financial management. Financial management has an important role to play in a business organization. Financial management is that managerial activity which is related with the planning and controlling of the firm's financial resources, wealth maximization. Profit is the objectives of financial management. The main purpose of financial management is to maximize the profit by optimum utilization of finance. Financial management aims at reducing the cost and maximizing benefits by using resources efficiently. Fourth point is personnel management. It involves estimation of manpower, recruiting suitable people, training and developing them, evaluating performance of employees and compensating them, providing welfare facilities and keeping records of employees, etc. is also a function of personnel department. The area of management is unlimited. Different business may need management of different activities depending on special situation. Due to different activities, there may be purchase management, transport management, export management, department, etc. Management may also relate to non-business activities like environment management, educational management, defense management, justice management, etc. Now we will discuss about objectives of management. So first of all, it's important for you to understand that what is objective. Objectives means something that you plan to achieve. Objectives are end result of an organization. Each organization has some objectives and tries to fulfill these objectives with the help of management. The main objectives of any business is to fulfill the needs of the society while getting proper benefits. Objectives are generally made by top level managers only. No organization can be established without objectives. So they are very important. Objectives are the basis of every organization. Here I am telling you example: increase sale by 20%, and return on investment by 10%. They are in the form of written statement of desired results which an organization wants to achieve during a given time period. Every organization is set up to achieve some objectives, and management helps to achieve these objectives in an effective and efficient manner. The managerial objectives of an organization can be classified into three major categories. First is organizational objectives. Second is social objectives. And third is personnel objectives. Now I am explaining these objectives in detail. First objective is organizational objectives. Other name is economic objectives. These objectives aim at prosperity and growth of the organization. The main aim of management is to use the human and physical resources in such a way that the organization gets maximum profit. Every management group aims to achieve these objectives for its organization. For fixing these objectives, management keeps into consideration the benefit of all the related parties like owners, employees, customers, government, etc. The managers try to develop and attain variety of objectives in all management areas which reduce cost and brings maximum prosperity for organization. Finally, it is true that without interest nobody wants to do business. Only the desire of profit motivation the person to do business. The objectives of management is to use human and physical resources in such a way that the organization gets maximum benefit. Survival of organization, profit earning and growth of business also fulfill the organizational objectives. So, organizational objectives are classified into three subcategories. First organizational objective is survival. The basic purpose of every organization is to survive and staying in the competitive market for a long time. This is possible only when it can cover its cost, so management must confirm the survival of the organization by earning enough revenue to cover its cost. One should manage by taking positive decisions for various business activities. Second organizational objective is profit. Only survival is not sufficient for business. Profit earning is also essential for facing the expenses and for successful continuity of the business. So the most important objective of every organization is earning profit. Profit is essential for survival, growth and expansion of business. Profit is the reward given to businessmen for bearing risk. So always remember, the greater the risk, the higher the profit. Profit plays an important role in facing business risk and successful running of business activities. Third organizational objective is growth. Growth is one of the parts of developmental process. Businessman looks at his survival and then after he thinks of profit, and after that he wants to increase the business further, and this is the growth. So every business wants to grow. Management must confirm growth of business. Growth can be measured by in terms of increased sales, increase in number of products, increase in number of employees, increase in capital investment, etc. Business organization must grow and expand their activities. If all these show an increasing trend, then it can be concluded that business is heading towards growth. Thus, the survival, profit, and growth in organization objectives should always be in sequence or orderly so that the business can run for a long time. After starting the business, first survive in the market, then earn a little profit, and after that think about increasing growth the business with the help of profit. Now let's understand the next objective. Second objective is social objectives. An organization is established in a society. It runs through the resources made available by the society. A businessman should keep in mind that he is getting workers from society. Consumers of the product will also come from the society. Raw material will be available from the society, as because these all are parts of a society. A business is getting all these things from the society and providing products to the society. The entire business is running only through the help of the society. That is why it becomes the responsibility of every organization to reason for social benefits. In this way, businessman has to take care of health, safety, and price control. So social objectives are to produce goods of high quality, to charge reasonable price from the public, to pay government taxes honestly, to adjust the supply according to the demand, pollution-free methods of production, providing employment opportunities to weaker section of society, providing basic facilities to the employees like education facilities for their children, medical facilities, etc. To organize educational, health and training programs, etc. Third objective is personal objectives. Other name is human objectives or individual objectives. Human objectives are related to the employees of an organization, as employees are most important resources of every company, and satisfied and motivated employees contribute maximum for the organization. In business, do not include only raw material, land and machine, rather managers, organizers, workers are also included in resources. So it is the great responsibility of an owner of the business to have human approach. Towards all these resources, many problems can be solved by adopting a human approach. Problems such as strike, closure, etc. are reduced. Human approach helps in making business successfully. Dealing with workers in a human behavior, giving them sufficient salary, providing information from time to time should be the main objective of management, as business progress depends on it. Workers become a part of an organization with a view to fulfill the needs. First is sufficient salary. The worker should also be given competitive salary and other allowances, good healthy working condition and motivation. These people want to get respect from their colleagues, providing requisite welfare. People want to get sufficient opportunities for personal development. Management has to maintain effective balance between personal and organizational goals in order to establish harmony. So today we understood scope and objectives of management. If you have any doubt related to these topics, so write below in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you very much.